Hello, one and all, and welcome to Ready, Set, Bet High Roller Edition. It's a beautiful day for racing, and the fans are lined up to play this new giant-sized deluxe version of AEG's hit game, enjoyed by friends, family, and gamers alike. We've pulled out all the stops and made this version bigger and better to match the exciting action and joy that players from all over the world have come to enjoy. Perfect for conventions, family get-togethers, and weekly game nights, Ready, Set, Bet is always a hit. Every component has been lovingly redesigned and upgraded. All the betting and money chips have been upgraded to full-size poker chips. The bet board is now a neoprene mat, upscaled to just over 2 feet by 4 feet in size. The race mat is also scaled up to hold the oversized wooden horses, now with names, to make calling the race even more immersive and fun. All of this can be yours, packed into a beautiful suitcase-style box with the foam inserts for quick setup and cleanup times. Be sure to back Ready, Set, Bet High Roller Edition, now on Kickstarter. Want more customized components? We've made an extra set of red AEG dice and a second stable of AEG-themed horses, all named after our hit games. You can never have too many dice, and fans of AEG can cheer on their favorite games as part of the action. See details below in our add-on section.